Alright guys, everyone, let's get into this video. We are going to be unboxing my tag submission, 20 cards, and let's get into it. And, hold up, wait a minute. Is that Gyarados? Alright guys, in this video, as you just saw, we pulled out the crown jewel. That is a Magikarp tag 10 going into my personal collection. However, we will be showing you guys the unboxing of this video. This was actually an extra card in this first little portion of the video that I accidentally sent in with tag. For after getting my 20 cards graded. I do apologize that if Tag sees this that was not my intention. I did not mean to send the Charmander in there. I accidentally dropped him in the submission pool because he was already in another submission pool when I was sending off another batch to Tag and stuff like that. So that was my fault. But we got some pretty good grades back. I believe we had 7 10s. The rest were pretty much 9s and 8.5s. Pretty good grades. Didn't have any issues. I've graded with tag before, only once before. We got some really nice 10s, and if you guys are interested in these cards or any of them, please leave me some comments down below if you are interested, because I do have them on my eBay, and I will be selling some of them on my whatnot later on. So if you guys are interested, my eBay is in my link on my YouTube channel. All you gotta do is go to my links, and you can see my eBay, and you can see my whatnot and all that. And again, message me if you want to work something out on either platform. I'm willing to negotiate some deals, but I do sell most of these. Like I said, the Magikarp will be staying in my collection, but that is about it. The rest of them are free game. But the tag submission I really want to talk about in the grading process. I've recently been back to grading to give you guys a little bit of a background. So I've been grading with PSA for about 10 plus years, and I'm not hating on PSA in any portion of this video. Check out the special delivery charger though. That is awesome and amazing. That is on sending them. You just can't hate tag slabs. These things look amazing. The transparency with the little QR code is just insanity. That being said though, guys, I'm not trying to die hard, just go crazy on tag and be like, oh my god, forget PSA, forget all other grading companies. But I just want to kind of establish a little background here. I sell on Whatnot, I sell on eBay, I do collect Pokemon cards, I do sell them, as you can kind of see. This is kind of my little sell studio here. Reaper's Card Show on Whatnot, for any of you wondering. I do try to give out as many freebies as I can with every purchase and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just trying to stay transparent, basically. And that's why tag, I think, really aligns with me, the transparency, and that's kind of how I am. But that being said, I kind of want to talk about the grading issue right now. I know a lot of people are like on the fence. Personally, just for clarification, I've graded with PSA for 10 plus years since I was pretty much a teenager, and I would send cards in, you know, course like that, and get grades and stuff like that. And I'm gonna be honest, tag has been a wonderful experience compared to all that. I'm not trying to harp or bash on PSA. PSA is still definitely there where the value is of most cards. Most people, of course, since PSA has been around the longest, will support a PSA 10 before most. But I really want to really for people to look at tag and take a perspective of someone who is, in fact, not a sponsor. I'm not sponsored by tag or anything like that. I am strictly just a customer. I use tag for grading. I sell tag slabs. I sell PSA slabs. I've sold CGC slabs. I've sold Beckett slabs. Personally, I don't understand what the big hate is on tag. They're very transparent. The tags look, the slabs look very clean. As far as the issue where people have said they break easy, I find this to be false. I have personally tried. Oh, there's a Pokemon Center stamp. I have personally tried to break slabs on purpose. They got really low grades. They were for study purposes and experiments only to kind of see if they would break. I had them break no easier than a PSA slab. So I don't really know what people are talking about in that instance. I do think the slabs are a lot cleaner looking, and the QR code being transparent, telling me exactly why my card got the grade it did, is kind of the biggest plus I've ever seen, where PSA is more subjective, and it gets a little annoying. I've had people tell me I didn't know how to grade because PSA gives me... I've gotten 10s from PSA as well. I've gotten 10s from every grading company, just to be honest. Just for any clarification out there for you guys. But tag has been predominantly the best one that I've used. So again, not bashing on any of the other grading companies. I just really want to talk about how good tag really is. And I love grading with them. This is my unboxing of them. I got some great grades. I love the transparency. Again, if you guys are looking into getting these slabs, if you like these cards, let me know. Message me, comment on here. Check out my eBay. That's where they're already listed. We can work out some deals. I also sell them on Whatnot. Whatnot description, you can check out the link too. You can start selling today on Whatnot. I do predominantly tell you, hey, start selling on Whatnot. Start buying on Whatnot. Great app to use, and more reviews like this are coming in, and I'll be doing them more weekly and stuff like that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.